Today we're going to make a Danish pork tenderloin stew. And I may be Scandinavian, but I'm not even going to try to pronounce this. Cut your meat into chunks and season with S&P. Cut carrot, cut celery, cut shallot, cut mushroom, cut garlic. Grab your bacon, cut your bacon. Cook your bacon until crispy and the fat is rendered, and take it out. Use pork tenderloin, but throw it in and cook until browned on both sides. Throw in your mushroom, throw in some salt, let the water render out and boil the mushrooms, and then add your butter. Let the butter absorb into the mushrooms and take them out. Turn the heat to low and add your shallot, carrots, and celery. Add your spices and cook for 5 minutes until soft. Throw in the garlic, tomato paste, and canned tomatoes. Throw in some bay leaves, some anise, and your chicken bouillon powder. Bring it all to a simmer and throw in your bacon, mushrooms, and pork. Gaslight your viewers into thinking you filmed yourself throwing in the heavy cream. Add your cocktail wieners to the pot, don't use Little Smokies. Cover and let simmer for a half hour. This is the best part besides eating. Now throw your rice on a plate and scoop on some stew. And there we have it. Here, I'm going to pronounce it.
Mørbredgryde.